Today we're featuring this new cute dress. It's the white polka dot drawstring dress. I am wearing the 1X/2. Here's the front. And what I love about this could be a layering piece. You can always add some underneath. Here's the back. Hold tight for look two. I basically add the black Caden disco catsuit underneath to make it a duster or coat. Here's the front. Here's the back. So head over to curvaceousboutique.com or swing by and see us, 415 North Military Highway in Norfolk, Virginia, where we make everyday ladies your runway.